Hello, this is Ken, and thank you for tuning in to the Model Building and Retirement channel. And in this episode, I'm going to announce my entry into the USAC group build, as well as an important announcement and a few shout-outs. Stay tuned right after the intro. Sponsored by Model Makers Workshop. Need parts for your next model project? Model Makers Workshop has you covered with the best aftermarket accessories around. Fueling obsession, one detail at a time. Okay, so we're back. Well, like I said at the beginning here, I'm real excited to enter my very first group build. So I'm officially entering the USAC group build, which stands for the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators Group. So their group build this year, they chose to do the 1969 Camaro by Revell. So my edition is going to be the Motor City Muscle Z28 RS, as seen here, with the hidden headlights. Going to be similar painted color with the white stripes, and quite a few aftermarket parts on this one. So this build will start on an upcoming episode here shortly. So next up, I want to do a couple shout outs here. First one is to Papa's Model Workshop, which I've already talked about in a previous episode here. Here's his shop card, and I'll have his link above here. But he had joined on his YouTube channel, he had joined the Assemblers Unite box stock build using a 1956 Chevy Del Rey model kit. And I had made a comment on his page that what a cool model. I wish I would have picked it up when it was available here, because I seen it and I didn't jump on it, and I just haven't seen it around lately. Well, within 24 hours, I get an email from Papa saying, I found you a kit, it's on its way to you. I mean, I'm blown away. We've never even met. He's doing this for me. So I email him back right away, and thank you. You didn't have to do that. Please let me know the amount of the kit and your shipping and everything. I'll reimburse you immediately. And he writes back, no, it's my pleasure. It's on me. So Papa, I can't even express how thankful I am to your generosity. But he sends me this brand new 56 Revell Del Rey model kit. I'm so excited about this, and what a nice guy. He certainly didn't have to do that. Just shows how cool this community is. So Papa, I've got a really good plan for this build. I used to be an auto detailer out in Phoenix, Arizona, and I had a lot of clientele, mom and pop, soccer moms, and then some high-end luxury cars or whatever. But one of my clients was a multimillionaire. He was one of the big high rollers on the Barrett-Jackson auctions, and he had a warehouse full of probably 100, 200 cars, from movie cars to very rare race cars, muscle cars, antiques, you name it. But he also had a collection of cars that were specially built by Boyd Coddington. So one of the cars was it was a 1956 Chevy, and it was called the Junkyard Dog, which was a full episode on Boyd Coddington's garage. I think it was called American Muscle Car or something like that back in the day. But it was a beautiful 56, and it was a resto mod. It had the big wheels on it, and I think it was like a 572 Chevy engine, like 1,000 horsepower or whatever. And I got to detail that car, and one day there was nobody at the warehouse while I was working, and they were hauling the car away for a photo shoot. And it was kind of exciting. I mean, I got to drive that thing onto the trailer, which is pretty wicked with a 4-speed and near 1,000 horsepower, getting that up on a trailer. But I thought it was a very beautiful car. So I'm going to be building this with the Boyd Coddington look. That'll be coming up. And thanks again, Papa. This will be tributed to you. Just another quick shout out too is I got a shop card from the bearded guy, Jeff Lawless. He's got a YouTube channel, and I'll have a link above for him. But he sent me his nice little shop card and a little sticker emoji of the bearded guy. Appreciate that, Jeff. I sent you one of mine as well, but I appreciate you thinking of me. I did check out your channel and subscribed. Also tomorrow, September 20th, 2025, I'll be attending the Shenango Valley Area Scale Modelers Show. It's by IPMS USA, and it's near Sharon, Pennsylvania. I hope to see some of you out there. I got my kits ready. I have my special little toolbox that my wife got me a few years ago, and I tried many times to figure out what purpose I would use this for, because I have plenty of toolboxes and stuff out in the garage. But I finally came up with a use for this, and what's really nice about it is it has these little compartments on the very top where you can put glue and toothpicks and applicators and paint, touch-up paint, and your anti-static brush to clean your models, microfibers, everything, all the little repair parts that you might need if you're at a show. And then inside, I have 2 layers of kits. I don't know if you can see that, but what that is that's 1-inch polyurethane foam that I got off of Amazon, and I'll have a link in the description as well as everything that I buy from my model supplies. But what I did is I put a layer of that down, and then a double layer cut out for the model kits, which protects them all the way around the sides. And then I put another layer on top of that, and then I build a second tier like you see here. And I cut those out using an electric carving knife like you would for turkey breast at Thanksgiving, and it cuts quite well. So I got to build some other ones. This one only holds 8 of them, but that's all I'm taking to the show. So I'm real excited about that. And then finally, big announcement for me. And you might have noticed it when I ran my intro, but I now have a sponsor. So we are now sponsored by Model Makers Workshop, and they are makers of 3D printed items. And they're up and coming, and they're growing about the same pace as I am, which is leaps and bounds. And I'm thankful for their sponsorship. So they're offering just about everything, aftermarket. They've got diorama parts and engine parts and body kit parts. Full complete engines, transmissions, and all the custom accessories to go with it. All kinds of interior parts and complete kits available, and they're adding stuff to their website daily. So I'll be doing a lot of product testing and demonstrations of that stuff and adding it to my cars, which is going to take me to a whole new level, because as you know, I was mainly box stock and just recently started building using like 3D printed wheels and tires, and started wired distributors. Well, now it's full on, folks. I'm going to be doing pro streets and resto mods with all kinds of crazy stuff now. I mean, the sky's the limit. So I'll be doing giant engines and resto mods and custom wheels and all kinds of crazy builds. Plus I'll be doing some full kits and just demoing all their stuff. And because of the sponsorship, I'm able to offer you their products at 10% off just by using my code, and I'll have it above and in my description here. But MBIR10, which stands for Model Building and Retirement 10, 10% off anything on their website. So be sure to check them out, and we'll be doing all kinds of cool stuff with their accessories. So stay tuned to that. Going to be getting started on the tractor build for the auto transport trailer that I just completed. I got to get the tractor done because I got some shows coming up in October and November, and I was hoping to bring that with me. So that's going to be a lot to carry. I'm going to have 6 cars with 6 new cars with window stickers in the windows, all on the car hauler at a display at the shows coming up. So I got to get to building 6 cars and a case to carry all that stuff. So stay tuned. Once again, I appreciate your watching my channel, and if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button down below here, and hit like, and always comment below, and look forward to seeing you the next time. Thanks, folks.